Hello friends, how are you? After the interval of 1 month, I'm making this English language video because you know that I'm working on English language and I'm making videos on this channel about English learning. And you know that when you stop making videos or making the practice, because after 1 month I'm making this video and I am feeling that if you don't do consistent work, then it will be a problem for you if you are learning something. Right now I was thinking about the topic and I was a little worried that topic was not coming into my mind, and I was thinking that when we stop our mind stop thinking the new ideas, the new things. So I think that if you want to do some things, the consistent work is necessary. You know that don't make noise. Hello, listen to me. Come here, come here, come here, stand here. Here, this is my son and he is making noise while I'm making the videos. Do you know the English language? Do you know the English language? No, don't touch this mic. What is your name? What is your name? I'm saying that what is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? He is my son and he don't know the English language because our national language is Urdu language. He can speak the Urdu language. Also he can speak the local dialect that is called the Potwari language, the mother tongue, you know. And I'm making this English language video and he is a little puzzled that what I'm speaking because he don't know. However, he know that on consistent level, on daily basis, I make the videos in national language, sometimes in international language, that is English language. Hello, look there. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. कहो hello बोलो. Give me a kiss. And I was talking about that when you don't do your consistent work, then there will be some kind of problems for you, because I have noticed that I have scheduled videos on this channel for 1 month, and during this period I worked on my other channel that is in Urdu language. So the ideas those were coming into my mind about English language, English learning has stopped. All those ideas have stopped. Today I thought that I should make a video on this channel because I'm already working on other channel. I'm also scheduling videos on other channel. When I make videos 30 or 40 videos, then I start working on other channel. In this way I'm getting the time for both the channels. And if I do at the same time, if I make videos in English language and same time in Urdu language, because that channel is of vlogs, and you know that for vlogging you will have to go out side area, and that takes time. But for this channel I have to think the idea, I have to think about new ideas that on what topic I should make video today. So this is a little easy but not easy. You will have to work, you will have to search new things, new ideas, new topics on daily basis, because when you upload videos on daily basis. But I think that this is my 250, more than 250 videos, and till this video my channel is not grown, and I'm waiting for the growth of my channel, because one of video amongst all these videos will take off, and that video will give the recognition and growth to my channel. I'm waiting for that video, and I'm consistently working on this channel. I'm uploading videos as you are. If you look on my videos, if you look back on my playlist, then you will find that on daily basis I'm uploading a video, and I'm hopeful that this is the game of luck. When my luck will play, then one of my video will blow, and the whole of my channel will grow. So I'm waiting for that. So my suggestion for you is that do your hard work on consistent basis. When you will work consistently, one of your work will give you the benefits of all your other works. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye karo. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye.